One thing I found interesting, the Bitcoin conference was last week in Vegas. And it's wild, Robert, because you see these young kids get on stage, people that have been on my show, like Dylan LeClaire, who actually runs a Bitcoin treasury strategy for a Japanese company called Metaplanet. And since they've been buying Bitcoin, their stock is up like 7x. Obviously, Michael Saylor spoke, but he's a little older. A woman named Lynn Alden spoke as well. And Robert, they give these most incredibly detailed presentations about what you're talking about how there's too much money being printed and it's never going to be reversed. And it's just so beautiful to see these young people up there that have really educated themselves and are now telling the world exactly what's wrong with our monetary system. But they're able to do that, Robert, probably because they read your books and also because they look at it through the lens of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's a beautiful thing because it's just this real asset that everyone can kind of anchor it to, compare to, look through the lens. And some of these presentations, if you see them, you would be blown away. I think you'd be really proud because these people have actually educated themselves outside of the school system and they get it. And young people like to learn from young people. And when they see a 25-year-old kid on the stage or a 30-year-old explaining this, I don't know, I feel like we're already on our way, Robert.
Yeah. It's our generation, the boomer generation, that is, they're still hanging on to their 401k and the 60-40, 60% equities, 40% bonds. And I'm watching this bond market collapse. And if the bond market keeps collapsing, it's going to take some banks with them. So there are a lot of banks in trouble right now. So that was what 2023, Silicon Valley Bank went down and all that. And
Yeah.
the Credit Suisse. Well, anyway, the Swiss bank went.
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside, I view, is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the investment club.
Yeah, I think Credit Suisse was faltering. The Silicon Valley Bank was shocking and scary when that happened. And that was real close. I mean, they went in and bailed that thing out. Wasn't obvious they were going to bail it out. I still remember that Sunday night. And that had all the Silicon Valley money there. Would have caused some serious disruptions. Yeah, there's some scary times ahead. Robert, when you look at artificial intelligence, how do you feel about it? Do you think this changes anything in the economy? Does it change things going forward? I'm just kind of curious what your take on it is.
Well, I listen to the younger guys. I went to this conference and this kid is like 25 years old. And he did the best explanation of AI I've ever heard, but it was completely over my head. But Rickards wrote this book here, Money GPT.
Yeah. It's great.
I devoured this book. I still don't understand it, but it's how AI is going to bring down the banking system.
Yeah. I had Rickards on to talk about that book. He's one of our great mutual friends, a big fan, amazing man. But I think the thesis of that book is that artificial intelligence is going to magnify some of these trading decisions and make decisions that a human would not make because a human might know better. And like you said, blow up the system quicker because AI is involved than it would if just human traders were there. I think that's roughly the premise.
That's why, I'm an old guy, so I just keep it really simple. I just say buy gold, silver, and just go straight to commodities. I own cattle, I don't kill the cattle. I sell the semen. So they're Wagyu bulls. So there's cash flow and there's sperm flow.
Robert, you you always have the most interesting angles.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.